Alright, if I'm just welcome once again to the original source TV, the home of the content on YouTube. Yes. Today we are here to unbox the Adidas Rapid Cut Low. Yes, this dropped in 2024. Yes, the Adidas Rapid Cut Low is dropped in 2024. It's almost my birthday, and you know, I asked Sneaker Transport to get me one sneaker, and they brought me this sneaker from Adidas. Yes, Adidas. Yes, original sneaker. Yes, so we are here to unbox it together. I told you, if you need any original sneaker from the world, just contact Sneaker Transport Wide. Yes, just contact Sneaker Transport Wide, and they will get you all the legit sneaker from all the legit stores, Athletes, Zalando's, Nike, Adidas, everywhere, Nike, Jordan, Puma, every official store, they'll get it for you. So without wasting my time, let's get into it, alright? Okay, so this is the sneaker, yes, this is the sneaker. You know, if you want to check that every sneaker is legit, you need to go through this pin. Yes, you enter this pin and it will give you if the sneaker is legit, you know. Yes, so we have all the information right here. So the Rapid Cut Low, yes. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's go. Yes. Alright, so this is the sneaker. We have it right here. Yes, we have it right here. Yes. So you can see that this one is really legit. Yes. We have this one right here. This shoes. We have the tags. Yes, so you can scan this one to verify if it's original. Yes, you can scan this one to verify if it's original. When you get any original sneaker, you just press this side. Yes, you press this side. If it breaks in, it's a fake one. Yes, so as you can see, this a legit sneaker. The back side. Yes. So I like the cream color of this side, the cream color, yes. It's very nice, yes. And they have an inscription over here. It has an inscription over here, yes. This inscription is also very nice, yes. It says Adidas basketball designed in LA, yes, designed in LA. So it has this inscription. The white sole under here is also very neat. They're very neat, yes. So you can see, so this is the Adidas Rapid Cut Low. Yes, so you can get yours, you can copy yours, you can contact Sneaker Transport Wide on Instagram. Yes, on Instagram, Sneaker Transport Wide, and they'll get you your legit sneaker from all official stores. Yes, as I've gotten mine. So, and this sneaker, it can be used for skating. Yes, it can be used for skating. So you need to get yours. If you're a skater, you need to get yours and, you know, have a feel of it. Alright, so thank you for staying with us. Thank you for joining. If you want any sneaker, just contact Sneaker Transport Wide on Instagram, and they'll get you all your legit and original sneakers. Yes, so thank you for staying with us. This was the unboxing of the Adidas Rapid Cut Low. Yes, the Adidas Rapid Cut Low, and it's going from 60 euros to 80 euros. Yes, they are running a promo, so you can even get it lower than that. Yes, so try to get yours before stocks last. Alright, so without until we see you again in the original source. Thank you for staying with us, thank you for subscribing. Alright, bye.